All right, the market will close in about 40 seconds. We have one short NASDAQ strategy and two short ES strategies. Cobra 3, E-mini NASDAQ is short, and we'll see it's closing on the low. It doesn't. We get this ISM Manufacturing Index number that reversed the market, and October's trade is down on the first day. This is the stock index portfolio, 30 different algos. Adaptive moving average started on the long side and is now on the short side. Tick Pulse version 12, 1 minute, is short as well. And so we're getting some selling into the close. We don't always see that, so indicative of a weak market. So we close all the trades here, and so that's what you see taking place. Let's see what else traded today. Night Trader, I want to show you. Night Trader hit its profit target last night. Here you go. Here was Night Trader. Got in on September 29th. On Sunday night at 22:04, hit the profit target in October 1st session, even though it started on September 30th. It was the beginning of the new session in the after hours. So it's the beginning of October trading session, and you see the trade there. So back to the portfolio, tick count trend, two short trades in the E-mini NASDAQ that were profitable, one that was a loss. Stock index swing was had a losing trade minus 1,000. The market reversed quickly on that ISM Manufacturing Index, lowest in 10 years. 60-minute breakout, hit a profit target overnight on the long side. So longs overnight were profitable with the 60-minute breakout, and the shorts intraday. We continue to get this market where if it sells off early, it doesn't sell off in the afternoon. It just kind of goes flat. There just kind of goes into this holding pattern where it's kind of held up the rest of the day. And so that's what's happening again once again today. Cobra 3 profitable after several losers in a row. Hit the 77.01.27. Got out the end of the day. It does not have a profit target. We're looking for a big runner. Be nice to get in sooner on those. Adaptive moving average barely up on the day after the first trade was a loss. So we flipped to the short side and we're profitable. Here is Night Trader once again on a dark screen. You see that gap down on the intraday chart. You don't usually see this. And ISM Manufacturing Index, lowest levels in 10 years back in the financial crisis. And so about a 2-point drop intraday on the 1-minute chart, just a whoosh. Fast move if you're watching that in real time. So the market reversed and sold off, and it's trying to start the month of October positive for the bulls, and that number was pretty negative. Pretty surprised that we're not lower on that number, down 37 on the S&P. That has a it's a bad number to think about. Manufacturing index contracting to where it was 10 years ago in the financial crisis. So we'll see what happens overnight and tomorrow. Those are the trades for the day. Nice day in the stock index portfolio. Once again, you can lease this strategy in October. It's starting out in a good place. I ran this portfolio performance report earlier in the day. It was down intraday, and so it was down on this drawdown, and then it recovered some from when I last ran this intraday because these two strategies right here were long, adaptive moving average, and then it was stopped out, and so it was down on the day when this happened. Also, the stock index swing, it had hit a drawdown when this happened, even after the overnight trades, and so, but then it recovered. It recovered for the day and it was up. And so also you can lease these strategies. I'm going to show you where you can lease these strategies. One place you can lease them is Collective 2. I started sending this stock index portfolio to Collective 2. It doesn't have a lot of trades yet, but starting, let's see, when did I start? Sending it on the September the 20th, and you see the trades here. And so it's been kind of sideways so far because we're kind of in this drawdown trying to time this recovery rally in the stock index portfolio. It could draw down some more from where it is right now, but this is where it is right now. And then let's take a look at the website. From the website, you can go to market portfolios, you can go to stock index portfolio, and you can read more about it right here. You can subscribe and see some of the latest articles based on this. You can trade it on the micros, if you want to micro, lease it on the micros, or if you want to lease it on the minis. The micros are 1/10 the size of the minis. So if you have any questions, you can contact us and ask me any question that you may have on this. It says 250K stock index portfolio, but you can trade it with less than that, about half of that. So that is the update on the stock index portfolio, the trades for the day, the gap on the ISM Manufacturing Index, and the night trader that continues to hit profit targets.